Well, it's cold, it's windy, it's snowy, and you know what that means. It's time to open the mysterious shed of wonder. Well, it's just a shed actually, but what this shed lacks in mystery and wonder, it makes up for in snow blowers. So since it's cold and snowy, and I'm going to need one, let's go ahead and see if we can drag one of these snow blowers out of here and get it running. I'm thinking I'm going to go for the Craftsman because it's buried furthest in the back and it's biggest. So let's see if we can get it out of here. Alright, I'm not going to lie. I'm far too lazy to push that thing the 100 feet to the garage. So I'm going to see if I can fire this thing up and we'll just push that onto the trailer and drive it over to the garage. The best laid plans, right? Let's see how this goes. She's a runner. I think that choke might not be working again. Probably frozen. There we go. Alright, I got this thing in here without too much fuss, and all I'm going to do is check the oil, throw some gas in it, and see if it fires up. I hope it does. And yeah, it looks like there's oil in it, so I'm going to call that good. And we'll fill the tank and turn the gas on. Might already be on, I don't know. And give her a shot and see if it fires up. I like how they put the skids on the wrong way around. That's interesting. I got this thing as scrap a while back, and I don't remember what was wrong with it. But I must have got it working, I think. I guess if I didn't, we'll find out when I try to start it. But see what we can do. Fancy electric start. Alright, it runs. Probably the most successful startup of this winter so far. Fired right off. It does kind of surge a little bit, but I'm not too concerned. As long as it blows snow, I don't really care. And the only thing I really have seen wrong with it so far is the cable for the chute is frozen in there, probably rusted up. So I went ahead and started spraying in there with some penetrating oil. I'll let that soak in and try to work it back and forth, and maybe I can free it up. But other than that, it should be fine, so I'm glad that went well. Now I got a snowblower for the winter time.